We are going to discuss a very important and a very demanding topic today, in which we are going to discuss that what are the marketing channel and how to select the best digital marketing channels around you. Yes, the marketing is now becoming a very popular and the most interesting factor, which is mostly using by the top class companies for promoting their businesses. In this digital era, the marketing has become one of the most important factor for a successful business. So today we are going to discuss that what marketing channels you are going to use and how you can promote your business through these marketing channels. So let's start with the first of the most important thing, that what is marketing channels. So in digital marketing is opening windows for opportunities for B2B markets to promote their companies on a wide range of digital marketing channels, including websites, emails, social media, organic search, paid search, mobile and display ads. Yes, as we said very early, that today in digital marketing era, for B2B mean business to business marketers, it is very important that they should spread their digital marketings and spread their content through different websites, emails and social media and organic and paid search, so that they can become popular in their interest. And in those areas you can also gain a very huge and potential traffic, which will give you a great benefit as compared to your competitors. With so many common options, a common question B2B marketer asks is, what digital marketing channel should I use? Yes, this is a very famous question which is asked by business to business marketers, that what are the most common and what are the most useful digital marketing channels they should use, because there is a billions of the traffic every marketing channel has been getting, like most of the digital marketing channels like Facebook, Reddit, and if we see Instagram, YouTube, these are one of the most digital marketing channels where the lot of the traffic goes every day. So the digital marketer is also a small businesses always think that with which platform they will go for their marketing. Before planning an effective digital marketing strategy, marketer needs to understand the different channels, including the pros and the cons. With this insight, they can identify which channel are most likely to work best for their businesses. Yes, with insight, you can also get a very inside analysis of the complete channel of those on which you are going to perform the activities and for your businesses. Like one of the best and the most important thing, a marketer and a strategist person think that with which marketing channel they will go, and they will see the pro and cons of that channel, so that they will get a maximum and a very huge a huge traffic for their businesses, and that will also give great benefit to them. So when we talk about digital marketing channel, and when we talk that what is marketing channel, one of the most common is called content marketing. Yes friends, content marketing is also called the king in the term of getting a huge and potential traffic. Now let's discuss what is content marketing. Content marketing is an essential digital channel for every company operating today. Content is workhorse for communicating and selling the prospects and customer. Yes, when we talk about content marketing, content is a king. Why we call that content is a king? Because the content bring the customer to perform the activities, and your content will urge them to buy those things by the content, and the quality of your content matter for this. If your content is a quality content and giving the complete analysis of that thing which you are promoting, then the customer will definitely go with that. Also, prospects today expect companies, website and blog to provide copies and amounts of the content that answer their specific questions. Yes, this is the most common thing which and most important thing that every marketer should need to know, that which website and blogs that are going to answer the specific question which are in your mind. When someone is going to buy something or going to get something by analyzing your content, that is the key point and make and break point for you and for your business, that your content should bring those customer in those traffic into customers so that they will buy something from you. And that is a very important part in content marketing. Content marketing urge the customer to buy those things by giving your quality analysis in your content. Now let's discuss about the content marketing pros. One of the best pro is that flexible platform with multiple capabilities for distributing content in a variety of formats. Yes, in your content you can discuss different topics and you can you can distribute the content in different formats so the reader can easily be able to understand your content and he will be able to perform those actions which you want after reading your content. Number 2, low barrier to entry with minimal technical or IT skills required. Yes, this is also a very important point to be understand, that you must have a no technical knowledge required, but you have to be write your content very creatively so that someone can understand it, so can someone easily understand and buy those things or perform those things after reading your content, which is very important for them. Now let's discuss about the third point. Attract the new prospects while engaging with existing customers. Yes, this is also important thing, that your content should be very engaging so that the existing customers and the newcomers will easily be able to understand your content and they will get excited after reading your content so that they will follow your website regularly. Number 4, excellent for brand awareness, authority building, storytelling and passive sale messaging. Yes, that is a best part. You can understand that your content should give them awareness, authority, and a very important part is that story. If your content has a very good story and giving a great worth to those things which they are discussing in their content as a story, that will give the great importance to the customer who is reading your content and he will engage with you after reading that. Provide the ability to measure and track the performance. Yes, that is obviously that you must measure your content so that you will be able to understand that which part is going good and what part is not going good, so you can improve your performance. Boost SEO. Yes, we will discuss in our further slides that what is SEO, but that content is also boost your SEO. Now let's move in very effective part, that is email marketing. After content marketing, the email marketing is the most effective way through which you can gain a very good clients and very good customers, and you can build a very good relationship with the existing customer as well. Now let's discuss that what is B2B. Email marketing is an effective way to build and maintain a rapport with potential clients and maintain a relationship with existing customers. As we discussed earlier, that email marketing will maintain the relationship with your existing customer and build a good and strong relationship in future as well. As the prospect progress through the sales funnel, companies can focus on helping them to solve specific problems and achieve specific goals, rather than abruptly pushing them towards sales. Some companies send a weekly or monthly email letter to keep their business top of the mind so that prospects and the customer will look to them when they are ready to buy. Yes, in email marketing, you can send your promotions, you can send your monthly reports, newsletters, and you can keep your customer busy by sending these emails that they are giving great importance and giving great respect to the customer with whom they buy something. With that they can buy something very special. And email marketing is one of the best and effective way to keep engaging your old customer. If someone buys something from you in the past, and if you keep sending them email marketing weekly or monthly, then he will get the best promotional things which is very related to the customer. So email marketing focus to on those things which are very important, and you can also focus on the customer who are buying from you on a daily or weekly or monthly basis, or even if he can buy something a year before from you. But if you keep engaging with email marketing, he will keep coming and keep buying things from you. Now let's discuss about the pros. Cost effective way of engaging an audience on ongoing basis, just as we discussed earlier. Helps build relationship by regularly sharing valuable information. Just that is also we share that you can build a relationship by sharing valuable content with them. Can be a customized and tailored to a specific buyer person. Yes, this means that you can optimize your email marketing according to the buyer who buying things from you, in which you can customize those products, those things which are buy by the buyer from you in the last year, in the last month, and you can keep sending them promotion related to that specific product. Allow consumer to grow into their decision to make a purchase. Yes, obviously with that you can send promotional methods, you can use some different method in which you can ask them to that there is 20% off, 30% off, so they will keep buying from you. Provide many segmentation options. That just yes, we discussed that in earlier hours our slides, that how you can engage with your audience by sending them very important information. Companies retain complete control over the content, prospects, and customer service. Yes, email marketing gives you that opportunity that you can keep your promotions and other things as custom as you want to send to your customer.